tell us something about these instruments you're playing, because you're like a magician. Bringing a different instrument out, and I can see what Aylin's playing. I know what you're playing.
Well, these are just
What's this little thing? No,
these are just whistles. That's a Lodi, and that's just your timpani.
I notice you're not using your thumb, because with a recorder you need to put your thumb down.
There isn't one. You go over blow. These are traditional penny whistle, and they're not penny anymore.
No.
But, and they don't have a hole in the back. They're just very simple, 6 holes. Same as the simple flute, really, because you can get some versions of these where you have a detachable head and you put the whistle, or you can put a flute head on them. But I'm no good with an embouchure, so I stick to whistles.
Oh, right. Yeah, sorry.
And the other one is a melodeon, which is...
I wondered if it
This is
was an accordion or...
well,
An accordion is...
an accordion is
It's
not
a
that.
bigger, isn't it?
Yeah. You can get button accordions, which are the same principle as an accordion. But this is diatonic, which means that you get 2 notes on the one button. It's a bit like a mouth organ with a blow and a suck. And a lot of continental, this is an Italian one that you get them from Germany, and a lot of the continental folk traditions use melodeons, and the Irish do as well, but they have a different tuning. This is the Morris one, which has got DG, the Irish is BC, and use a lot more what they call crossroad technique, which I am not that accomplished, so I don't. But it's very, very popular with Morris, and in Mexico they have a thing called Tex-Mex, which uses a melodeon, but use free-row melodians, which are fully chromatic.
So is your little whistle a bit higher than the big one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. TV, wasn't it?
I start this.
Yeah, it might be.
This is another Carolyn tune.
Joins.
It's absolutely brilliant to hear music without the amplification.